as you are able to see, the Asyn Plan is there in or it is there on the screen in front of your eyes. So I am performing the same activity in Google Sheets. So step number one. The step number one is that we have to open a Google Sheets. You all are aware from where I will be opening the Google Sheets. I have to go to the Google Apps. Over there you will be able to see Google Sheets. When we click on it, it will take few seconds and it will show us a user interface like this, where we are having various templates and we are having a plus sign over here that is nothing but blank. So I require to click on the blank part, and again it will take few seconds in order to get load. Now you are able to see that the screen, that the user interface of the Google Sheets are there in front of you, but we won't be able to work because over here it is showing us the icon working now. Yes, now we will be able to work. You remember what we have done earlier also, my kids? We have just given a name to the Google Sheets. So I'm waiting for the buffering part to be done. Once the buffering is done, I'll start working on the Google Sheets. So till the time it is done, I will just give the name as grade 7 Async Plan. I'm giving the name as grade 7 Async Plan and I'm clicking anywhere on the screen. Now you will be able to see that the plan has been named as grade 7 Async Plan. So moving over here, first it is February, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So the first column it is February. February, February, and then we are having Monday, then it is Tuesday, then it is Wednesday, then we are having Thursday, then we are having Friday, and so on. Now if you are able to see over here, the color is black and the font color is white. Now how to give it? I will be selecting from Monday to Friday. Now over here you are able to see text color and over here you are able to see fill color. So I am selecting the fill color as black. This is the fill color. One more time. See over here you will be able to see bold, italics, then you will be able to see the strike through, you will be able to see text color and you will be able to see a bucket over here. So bucket, black, and from here select white. Whichever font you require, you can give that particular fonts. So the first part is done. Then it is essential, learning, attendance, 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 attendance. So I'm writing over here essential, learning, and I will be going to the next cell. I will be typing attendance, and then what I will be doing, I'll be copying this attendance to all the part. Now if you are able to see over here, you are able to see essential and learning coming on the different line. How I will be able to do it? Please focus what I am doing. I am selecting the essential learning. Over here you are able to see horizontal align, vertical align, text wrapping. So I am going for text wrapping. One more time, my kids, you will be able to see the alignment, that is horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, and you will be able to see this option called as text wrapping. Go to text wrap, the center option wrap. When I click on the wrap, you will be able to see that is exactly like we are able to see over here. But I am able to see attendance coming at the center. So again come over here, that is the vertical alignment, and select center. What is the color that we have given to this particular part, my kids? The color, I think it is green. So I'm selecting green color and I will be again selecting white part. So this is the second part that is done. Essential learning 45 minutes. English, science, English, science, English. So I'm copying this essential learning. After essential learning, I require to type 45 minutes. So 45 minutes. This is done. If you think 45 is going up, just press space bar and 45 will come down. Yes, it is exact now. English, science, English, science, English. So what I'm doing over here, I will be typing English, then science, then again English, science, copy, paste, and then only English. Now you are able to see again I require green color. So how to get the green color? Just select this part. You are able to see an option called as paint format. I will be going in paint format and selecting the entire thing. One more time. Select any of the cell which you think it is formatted. Make it center first. I'm making it center. Yes, now it's correct. So, you are aware from here we require to make it center. I will be selecting the first part. Go to format painter where you are able to see undo, redo, print. The fourth option will be paint format and just select it. So now my second row is done. If I'm able to see, is there any other different green color? I'll be selecting that particular green color. Now I think this is appropriate. Now, next, essential learning maths, Hindi, maths, Hindi, maths. Copy this essential learning. Copy this part. The first it is maths. Then the second it will be Hindi. And then again copy maths, Hindi. And over here it will be maths again. So the next part is done. Essential learning. SS, computers, Marathi. One more time. Essential learning. Copy this part one more time down. SS. Then in the next cell it is computer, Marathi. Again computer. And the last part it is SS. Yes. Now next. Next you are able to see enrichment for 15 minutes. So what I am doing? Enrichment. Enrichment 15 minutes. One more time I'll be showing you. Select this part. This is alignment, horizontal alignment, vertical alignment. Go to the fourth option, that is the text wrapping. Text wrap it. What color it is? It is approximately certain of white color or cream color. So what I will be doing? From here, select any random colors and give the text as white again. What you are able to see? LEPD dash. So I'm able to see over here dash. Then it will be LEAPD. Make it bold enough so that it is visible to the others also. And again dash LEPD with dash. The alignment, make the alignment as center. How to make it? Horizontal alignment, we have to go to vertical alignment and we have to go for the center. Sorry, I have not selected. Perfectly done. Now arts, arts, arts. Enrichment again. Enrichment, but for how many minutes? It is now 30 minutes. How to make it down? Just press space bar, it will come down. Just press, just press space bar, 15 minutes will come down, but instead of 15 minutes, now I require to give 30 minutes. Arts. Done. format it so that it will come at the center. And last, and enrichment, again 30 minutes, physical education. How to make it align with the help of text wrapping option, the center button, make it exactly at the center and make it bold. If you want, you can copy it like this. So now my table is prepared. The only thing that I require is to give a border. So what I'm doing, kids, please pay attention. I'm selecting this part. You are able to see border over here. So I'm selecting the entire border, but now I'm selecting the color as white. And if you want, you can increase the thickness as you want. Increase the thickness. Yes, now my table is prepared and it is time to upload it. I hope this particular part was very clear to all of you and you will be able to prepare your own tables by watching this particular video.